If you're looking for maintenance-free siding and decking options for your home, you probably stumbled across the TimberTech option. So we have the whole collection here. We ship it all throughout the country. Nobody ships as much as we do throughout the whole US. So we have options that some of your local distributors just can't get their hands on as fast as we can, because we deal directly with the factory and all major distributors across the US. So we have things such as the Cedar Shake, which is made from PVC, so you don't have any of the issues with maintaining this. It comes white, you can paint it any color you want. We also have the board and batten style, which is made out of PVC, so no maintenance there. If you're doing a tongue groove porch board, we have a selection of colors here. We have dark hickory, we have a coastline, a slate gray, an oyster, a weathered teak, which is super popular, and a mahogany color. And then if you're looking for standard deck boards, these are kind of sorted here in our display room by color tones, but we have things in their composite line, and then we have things in the PVC line. So the composite line is 6-inch only. The PVC line, you're going to be able to get things like 4-inch, 6-inch, or a really nice wide newer product of the 8-inch. So let's go through some of the color options there. We'll start from the bottom, the darker here. We have espresso, we have a dark cocoa, a brown oak, an English walnut, a tiger wood. It's even got a little streaks through there like some of our real tiger wood, antique leather, coconut husk, weathered teak, brownstone, weathered teak in the vintage collection, brownstone, landmark, French white oak, sea salt gray, stone ash, coastline vintage collection. Hang on, let me get my very expensive pointer. Also doubles as my air guitar. Yeah, funniest lumber company around. We have a slate gray and a sea salt gray. So basically any color you want, maintenance-free decking. We ship it all around the country, direct to your job site. We get you better service. If there's ever any warranty issue, we have great pull with the manufacturer because we're one of the fastest growing retailers in the country. We deal with all the distributors. So sometimes when a little mom and pop corner store doesn't know where to get this color because their local distributor doesn't have it, we got 7 or 8 different distributors that handle that. So we have access to things that your local guy won't. We get it to you fast, we get it to you at a good price, and we have all the accessories and rails to go with it. So AdvantageLumber.com, check it out. If you're worried about what width comes in what product, just click around. We'll tell you what product has 6-inch, 4-inch, 8-inch, delivered right to your door. AdvantageLumber.com.